This colorful pendant looks complicated, but you make it just by tying simple knots. For this project, you will need 3 colors of embroidery floss, a wood or metal ring about 1 inch across, cord, scissors, and glue. Cut the 3 colors of embroidery floss about 3 feet in length. Hold the strands together and thread the end through the center of the hoop. Wrap the floss once around and send the other end through the hoop as well. Pull to tighten the loop and send the end through the loop so that you have a single knot attaching the cord to your circle. This beginning part is the hardest. It gets much easier after your first couple of knots. So hold everything in place with your thumb and pointer finger. Send the long end through the circle and then through the loop of floss. Pull it tight so that the resulting knot sits right on the edge of the ring. Keep repeating this. Send the long end through the middle of the ring from behind. Start to tighten it, and then send the end through the loop of floss to form a knot at the edge of the ring. Keep doing this all the way around, stopping to straighten out and tighten your knots as you go along. Once you're finished tying all the knots, cut some floss to fill out the tassel on the bottom of the pendant. Thread the end through the circle and hold it down right at the spot in between your beginning and ending points. Choose one color of floss and cut a piece about 8 to 12 inches long. Place the pendant on top of this floss and then tie the floss in a knot right at the bottom of the circle. This will be the top of the tassel and hold everything together. Now start wrapping one side of the floss around and around at the top until you are almost to the end. Then with the 2 pieces, tie a tight knot to hold everything together. This will become the back of the pendant. And add some glue to the knot so that it doesn't come untied. Once the glue is dry, trim off the ends close to the knot. Also trim off the end of the tassel a little longer than the length you want the finished one to be. Next, and this step is optional, but I like to unravel each piece of the floss to make the tassel a little bit fluffy. Give it one last trim to make sure it's all even and the length that you want. Cut a long piece of cord that will become your necklace. Thread the 2 ends through the center of the circle. Send the 2 ends through the loop and pull it snug. Tie the 2 ends of the cord together and your pendant is ready to wear. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new videos every week.